What deductions are there for rental properties?
Hey, Caitlin here. We get this question a lot, so let's explore the top 10 most basic write-offs for rental properties. Make sure you write these down. Number 1 is the interest you pay on your mortgage. 2, property taxes. 3, insurance. 4, utilities, but only if they are paid by you. 5, repairs and maintenance. 6, property management fees. 7, advertising. 8, accounting fees. 9, condo fees. And finally, number 10, bank fees. Now, these are not the only claims you can make, but the rest are a bit more complicated. For example, renos. What can be expensed versus what needs to be capitalized and depreciated over its useful life? There are many nuances to rental property write-offs, like a lot of people are surprised to owe tax even if they had negative cash flow from the rental property. The rule of thumb is if your cash flow breaks even, expect to pay tax on the amount your mortgage was paid down in the year. If you're still curious about other deductions, check out our blog on rental properties and rental property tax, where we talk extensively about rental properties and deductions you can make.